Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Sai Praveen Harnath, pulmonary and critical care specialist from Apollo Hospitals in Jubilee Hills in Hyderabad. Today we are going to speak about sepsis. Sepsis, as you may know, is a killer. People who have infections which they go out of control, have low blood pressure, can have a fast heartbeat, and ultimately, if it is not treated, can die. Every year, over 6 million children and over 100,000 mothers who have delivered end up with sepsis. On top of that, thousands of people every day around the world are having infections that turn into sepsis and people die. Commonly, sepsis has been called a blood infection. The body, as you know, tries to fight infection. Even if you have a small cut on a finger, you're going to have some swelling because the body is sending white blood cells to try and contain any infection. However, when the infection enters the bloodstream, the control goes out of balance and the body tries to fight the infection, but in that process, fluids leak out of the blood vessels, your blood pressure drops, and if you don't give adequate IV fluids immediately, the patient can die. Likewise, antibiotics are required, and not just any antibiotic, the correct antibiotic for the particular infection, the correct dose needs to be given as soon as possible, ideally within 30 minutes to an hour, and preferably intravenously. There is something called the golden hour, in trauma, when people have accidents. The same thing is applicable for people with sepsis. But ultimately, what is important is early recognition, early initiation of treatment, and giving the correct treatment. Once you treat with the antibiotic and also give IV fluids, you have increased the chance of saving the life of the patient with sepsis. It is important to have access to a tertiary care center which can handle very low blood pressure and also other complications of sepsis. Other organ systems like the kidney, the blood coagulation system can also get affected in sepsis. Now, the World Sepsis Day is celebrated on the 13th of September every year for several years now. It is to recognize that sepsis is still a big problem for us. Despite the advances in medical care, there is still a long way to go. I would urge all of you to read up on the latest in sepsis, contact your consultants who you can get advice from on what can be done to prevent sepsis, and don't forget that there are several vaccines available now to try to prevent infections also. Sepsis is a killer, but I think we can control it. With advances in modern critical care and modern ways of managing emergency care patients, the mortality rate from sepsis has been coming down. We are still a long way from going to saying that sepsis is completely abolished, but we are making good progress. Thank you.